want some perfect oxtail, you need to check out my seasoning, the Rush's Oxtail Blend. That's the color you get from this seasoning. This was created with browning inside of it, aka caramel. So y'all need to check it out. You can order it from thejerkstop.com. Just support the thing, you know. So we said low sodium. That's what we're talking about right here. We are 2%. So I'm gonna show y'all what this does. Look at all that ingredients right there. So come on with a little. Let's put a little here. See all the herbs, you know, different spices, rosemary, the thyme, you know, the crushed red pepper. Go add a little oil. Look at that. That's what you get out of this seasoning. You get a brown touch out of it, you know. This is just to show y'all. That's what we're working with right here. Drop this in your frying pan, sear it up, ready for cook down with it. So y'all can check it out at thejerkstop.com, and we'll be on walmart.com by the end of this week. Amazon, we're gonna be there too, so check it out. Plus our jerk seasoning and our curry powder. We have our fried chicken batter coming too, and our festival dough mix. Check it.